All right, welcome to Mapmyrun. I'm going to walk you through what I did for the fitness badge, tracking your fitness badge. First of all, we're going to start off with me showing you my privacy setting. So we're going to go ahead and go over here to edit profile. And privacy settings. There we go, shows that it's private and that it will not share. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and show you my favorite part of this whole badge, which is creating certain routes. Oh, sorry, wrong one. My routes and courses. So in here you can see two of the routes. These are from years ago when I used to have this, but two routes that I created that I have actually ran here in Provo. And the first one, it is the back and forth where it just goes back for you. And this one I did with the road tracking off for part of it. As you can see, it cuts through campus. But this one actually, the campus loop number 1, is made public, as you can see, by the world compared to the lock, which means private. Now going into my bookmarks, my bookmarked routes, I found this route, which is 6 miles, which I really like, and that's why I went ahead and bookmarked that one. And this one is public as well, so people can look at it. And I did import a workout using these two apps. And if I go into, let's see, if I go into training workouts, you can see that they have been imported today. I didn't really run it, but it was imported through the other app that I used. And what else do we need to show you on here? And that's pretty much it. Thanks so much, you guys. Have a good one.